Hello, my dears. Hope you all are fine. Enjoying the life. Do enjoy. This is once again your friend Rajendra Arya, going to share something about our close association. Yes, your best friends are those who bring best in you. Means your friends, the friends whom you choose, they become your life's pillars. Now it depends how strong and strength is there in those pillars at the time of need. If you run with the wolves, you start learning how to howl. And if you fly with the eagles, you will know how to fly soar high. The fact of life is, my dear friends, that we become with whom we closely associate. Our association, our relation, the most important decision we can make in our life is selecting the good friends. Successful people are impatient with the negative minds. Those who are negative experts, thinking all the time odd and the bad, will create this effect in your life also. You must have observed, you must have seen some of the friends, when you need them the most, they simply deliver the very good lecture and leave. This is not a good company. My dears, misery wants our company. I strongly remember once was very much disappointed, unproductive with the life, was not knowing exactly what direction to go. I tried to meditate a lot. Then I got a slight hint. The hint was to observe about the company. I noticed the maximum my friends, they were suffering with the same phenomenon, with the same problem. They were also less productive. They were also not very much clear, full of suspense. The clouds of the doubts were always surrounding them. Then I thought what to do. Then again I got the hint. I immediately need to change my close association. Yes, my dear friends. Then the miracle took place. When I simply left that company, came out, I started involving myself with the wise people. Those who were successful, those who were having a very good confidence in the life. And what I started observing in my life, a positive change came. Of course, this is a turning point of anybody's life. Whom we choose, whom we select, slowly and gradually we become like that. Everybody knows, it's quite obvious, the effect and the result of good friends in the life. A friend in need is a friend indeed. We all need good friends. And the good friends are those who come, who bring the sunshine in our life. They take all the gloom from our life, always believes in our dreams. They accept us with all our faults. The good friends are those with whom we can dare to talk straightforward. They will never mind. Rather, they will be suggestive. They will be informing us time to time in a loving manner. While the bad friends, the wrong company will try to dig the grave for you. They will always try their level best to put you there. They will snatch your dreams away from you. They will always try to invite you in the grotesque of darkness of past. Yes, good friends are the pillars of the life. They hold you up. They shoot your confidence. They build up your confidence. And sometimes they lean upon you to check your strength. My dears, keep away from the negative thinking experts, because they will not create something new in you. In fact, they will take the complete life's juice from you and will leave you. Sometimes it's always better to be alone. It's olden golden proverbs said by the wise people, our ancestors. Better be alone than in a wrong company. So, my dear friends, always, and you are happy if your selection is good, if your friends are really working for you, they are good. If not, you also try to become a good friend and pray for a good friend in the life. We simply become with whom we closely associate. And in the end, I would like to say just one thing for the good friends. You are lucky if you are having a very good friend. जिंदगी से यही एक गिला है मुझे, तू बहुत देर से मिला है मुझे. हम सफ़र चाहिए हुजूम नहीं, एक मुसाफिर भी काफिला है मुझे, तू बहुत देर से मिला है मुझे. Enjoy the good company of good friends. Have a great time to all of you. Thank you so much, my dear friends.